Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my September Let's Create Card Club class ready to, well, it's not ready to go. Registration is now open. And, this is the monthly card class that I do. And if you do my card class, this particular one, for 6 months in a row, at your 6th month, you're going to get a $25 gift certificate from me to get anything in my online store. Well, you spend the $25 in my online store. So this is ready. Registration's open. Let me go over what you get. So you're going to get the pre-cut elements to make 8 projects. So 2 each of 4 designs. So here's your 4 designs. But this month, I actually did a 3D project. And so I'll show you the projects at the end. But so your projects are going to come like all the pieces for your particular project are going to come packaged like this. So there'll be, for 2 cards. So this one, for example, is kind of the only one that I've done, and it's for the chalkboard. So each project is going to have all your pieces in a package like this, and they'll contain the materials for 2 projects. So you're going to get you'll end up with 4 packages with 2 each. I hope I'm making sense. You're going to get half a pack of the Brights DSP. Love, love, love the Brights. You're going to get a full package of the iridescent foil gems. I use these on the projects. And then you're going to get a bolt of the white and misty moonlight ribbon pack. So you're going to get the full package of those 2. You're going to get 2 bottles of hand sanitizer. I've already got them from Bath & Body Works because you need those for your 3D project. So I'll show you. You're going to get the PDF tutorial that has the step-by-step instructions and priority shipping. So that's the class kit to go, which is $45. Now I'm going to do an in-person class on September 12th. So I'm going to be gone all the way up until the 10th. So I'm going to only have a few days to prep, but don't worry, I will get it done. But if you want to do the in-person class, it's $37. And it's, I believe, a Friday. The 12th is a Friday because I come back Wednesday. And then you can always just purchase my PDF tutorial for $15. And then we are using, did I even tell you, the Just a Note bundle. Love, love, love this. So this was originally, I was waiting to do this for back to school, but this bundle is so popular that it was on back order. So the projects they don't have to be back to school. You could change them to however you want, but look how adorable this bundle is. It's got all these are all the die cuts, that it does. I got some extras in there. But you can add this bundle on. You will need it to do your projects. It's not included, but you can add it on, and I'll pay the tax and shipping and add it to your kit. So let me show you the projects. This first one is a fun gift card holder. So you can use it for a teacher. You can personalize it. I don't have the greatest penmanship, but I put Mrs. Cunningham, so you could put whatever. Of course, it says happy back to school, but again, like I said, these don't have to be back to school. Look, you could put just a note, best ever, you've got this, or even if you just had a child that went to college, they would love to receive a card from you, and especially with a gift card like to McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, some restaurant that they love, and, great card. So either teacher, child, whoever. So here's another one, and I love this clipboard thing. And then it says happy back to school, but we can leave that blank, or again, you've got this, and you could put best ever. You choose what sentiments you want. This is our little chalkboard one. I love this. I made this something similar to this many, many, many years ago. And I didn't add the little erasers and the chalk and I just love this one. I think one of my favorites. I don't know, those two. Or here is our sanitizer holder. Look how cute. You got the little binder clips and you put your little sanitizer in there, and you will, again, be making 2 of each project. So registration's open. I will list it below. And if you're seeing this video on Facebook, I will list it in the comments. If you have any questions, just let me know. Registration ends on September 3rd. So again, you could get the to-go kit that includes the shipping, or you could do the in-person class, or you could just buy my PDF tutorial. All right, everybody, have a great day. Take care. Bye.